Tabiat Bridge, Holy Tabiat, in Tehran is one of the most innovative contemporary architectural works in Iran, combining smart urban design, sustainability, and social connectivity. The Tabiat Bridge, meaning Nature Bridge, is located in northern Tehran, connecting a Atash Park and Talagani Park, which are separated by a highway. Rather than being just a passage, it was designed as a public space, a destination where people gather, rest, and interact. The bridge redefines mobility, from a structure you cross to a place you experience. The architectural vision was to create connection, not only between two parks but between people, city, and nature. Inspired by Iranian public gardens and traditional bridges, like Kaju Bridge in Isfahan, which historically combined functionality and social life. Multiple paths and levels create choice of movement. The structure blends with the topography, designed to minimize visual impact on the parks. Upper levels offer panoramic city and mountain views, while lower levels provide shade and intimacy. Integration with landscape, designed with the terrain. No trees were removed. The bridge touches the ground minimally. Surfaces finished in natural tones to merge with the surrounding vegetation. Shading and thermal comfort. Canopies and cantilevers provide natural shading on walkways. Multi-layered decks create microclimates. Upper levels absorb sunlight, lower levels remain cooler. Material efficiency. Steel truss system minimizes material use while maximizing span and strength. Prefabricated components reduced construction waste and on-site disruption. Lighting efficiency. LED lighting system integrated into the railing and floor edges. Smart lighting controls reduce energy use at low traffic hours. Soft, warm illumination enhances safety and ambiance at night. The Tabiat Bridge is not just an architectural icon. It is a smart, sustainable, and social space that redefines how infrastructure, ecology, and community can coexist in 21st century Iran.